today's homework?
No, not today's. Last class homework that you have not completed, all the three. So start doing it. Draw the diagram of mushroom, algae, plants anatomy with parts. Now, yes. Before everyone joins, till that time you can draw and show me. Yes. Yes. Drawing. Ashwant, Adrit, Sharvik. Hello. Yes. Are you guys drawing it?
Can you repeat?
I gave the thing in the chat, Charvik. Draw the diagram of mushroom. See in the chat, I have posted in chat.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Adrit and Ashwant, what about you both? Drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, Ashwant, open the camera. Yes, Sritej, hi, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Open the camera, everybody.
Ma'am, my camera has some issues. Can I turn it off for this class?
Okay, no problem. What about your homework, Sritej?
Ma'am, I went out, so I wasn't able to go.
Some reasons you people give. Ma'am, I didn't see the homework. Ma'am, I went out. Ma'am, I was not available. That this, I was not good. What is this, huh? Every time. Okay. Gelda, what about you? Please see the chat, Sritej. Draw the diagrams. That was the last class homework, actually. Gelda, what about you? Completed the homework, Gelda? Yes, Gelda.
Ma'am, can I draw it right now?
Yeah, now.
Ma'am,
Okay,
but actually my camera is not working.
no problem. You can send me personally.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Gelda, your mic is not unmuting. Why? You can join from another device. For example, if you're joining from laptop, you can join from your phone and talk to me. And open your camera as well. Everybody, Ashwant. Yes. Drawing? Yeah, okay, Gilda. Yes. Okay. Only 5 minutes. Till everyone joins, we will draw. Then you have to show me.
Ma'am, now my mic works.
Yeah, okay. What about the homework, Gilda?
Ma'am, I don't get it.
Why?
I forgot.
Yeah, forgot. See, somebody will say that they forgot. Somebody will say my hometown, like I was not there in my home. That this, I'm not well. My mother is having the phone. My father is having the
Ma'am, I drew the anatomy.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Gilda, start drawing the diagram. Can you see the chat? I'll paste again.
Oh,
Draw
diagram. Oh, diagram of a mushroom? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did that.
algae, diagram of algae.
Algae I didn't do, but I did mushroom.
A mushroom, okay, no problem. Plant anatomy with parts.
Plant anatomy, I don't think I did. I'll just do it now.
Oh, yeah. Algae and plant anatomy, do it now. Ashwin, what about you? Completed?
No, ma'am.
Do it fast. Adrit, you also. Do it fast. I want you guys to make you do homework in class. See the situation? Then after this is gonna be the punishment. I won't teach anything. If you guys are not doing the homework will be done in the class. I'll talk to your parents. If they ask me why I'm not teaching, I'll tell you your children are not doing the homework. That's why. Complete it within 2 minutes, then we'll move on to the topic. Ritesh, completed?
I'm doing the plant.
Yeah, do it. Completed. All of you. Yeah, completed. Harvik, Sritej, Gelda. Yes or no?
I'm almost done.
Almost completed. All of you. I'll just give only 3 more minutes. Everyone. Charvik, Sritej, Gelda, Ashwant, Adrit. Only 3 more minutes. Yes.
Yeah.
Mom, I don't know how to draw algae.
Can you see the screen, Ashwant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. There is algae here. Yeah. Can you see Ashwant? Algae picture?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll zoom it. Come on. Draw.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. Who is that? Hamza. Come on, Hamza. Where is the homework? Completed the homework?
Ma'am, which homework?
Very good. Clap your hands, everyone, for Hamza. Clap your hands, everyone. Which homework? Which homework? Should I show you the homework? What is this? 29th. That is yesterday only I gave. I wrote clearly, draw the diagram of mushroom, algae, plant anatomy with parts. Also prepare the chapter for live test in the class. Hamza.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now do you remember what is the test? Sorry, what is the homework?
Yesterday when your laptop was glitching, and then after you glitch, I couldn't join the meeting.
Ah, that is completely fine. Even I have not taken much of the class yesterday, but I have given the homework in the group. Yes, everyone. Stop drawing. Stop drawing, everyone. Whatever you have drawn is completely fine. Okay? Stop drawing. Take the picture of this and or else I'll take. Wait, I'll take. I'll post it in the post it here. Okay? Later you can draw. Just be on the line for a minute. Hamza, start doing the diagram, you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, children, everyone stop drawing. Okay, let's start the class. I hope no one will join. Participants, okay. Can you all see my screen?
And what about seminar?
Seminar. In this list, I think Ashwin completed Hamza. Did I give any topic to you? I gave some topic to Hamza, right?
Offline
I think I was
Hamza,
accepted when you gave the topic.
I gave you one topic for seminar. I have given a topic to you. I forgot actually.
We
I
gave
think
him a
I was
topic.
accepted.
Okay, fine. So Gelda completed. Rishit has to do. Soumya has to do. Siddhant has to do. Charvik has to do. But
Ma'am,
these,
I'll do it on third or fourth.
yeah. So these people are not there in the class basically, and they are Charvik who are there is not ready. So basically we can't do. And Hamza, for you I'll give you a topic. You will be
I
taking care.
think you gave him. I think you gave him on the other day, right?
Yeah, I forgot.
I remember. Like it's about some fungi.
Yeah. Talk about Agaricus biporus. Okay, Hamza. Hamza. Hamza.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to take class about Agaricus biporus.
What?
Agaricus biporus.
Ma'am, can you type in the chat? I can't hear properly.
Okay. What about your weekly test? Hamza, did you do?
Ma'am, can you type in the chat? I can't hear properly.
Ma'am, do we need to take the diagram screenshot?
No need. You already have the diagrams in the slides, so no problem. Yes,
Yeah, that.
Hamza. Yeah,
Ma'am.
Hamza. Hamza.
Yes, ma'am.
See, why you didn't attempt the weekly test? Yes, why you didn't attempt the weekly test, Hamza?
I did. I did attempt the weekly test.
What?
I attended the last weekly test.
Why you didn't attempt?
What?
Why you didn't attempt the last weekly test? Oh, you
telling he attempted and it's
Aha.
written there.
Two. Are you having two accounts, Hamza, like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that is the confusion. Yeah. So, yeah, everyone actually, Aishwarya also. Ashwant,
Yes, ma'am.
mute yourself, Hamza. Why you didn't write, Ashwant?
Ma'am, I was outside. I was in the village. I had no network connection, so that I didn't attend.
No problem. Okay. So coming to the class. So please everyone listen to the class. Seminar we can't have today. So we have been seeing about lichens, right? Till now we have seen about fungi, we have something called saprophytes, we have seen about mushrooms and everything. So now we are going to see something, different. So today we will be completing this chapter, and from next we will have new chapter. I'll discuss about those things with you. I have two important things to discuss with you. One is about the next chapter, what we're going to have, and the second thing is about one more thing, important thing I'll discuss in the end of the class. Okay. Now we'll complete this. Is everyone listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Be alert. I am teaching now. Yes. Stop all your diagrams. You can draw it later and send me. Okay.
Ma'am, done
listen.
with.
Nah, done means no problem. If you're doing, people are Hamza. People kind like Hamza who joined late, still doing, do no problem. Later you can do. Now listen the class. So
But I
lichens, we were talking about lichens. So a chlorophyll containing partner. So lichens are basically, algae and fungi symbiotic relationship. Am I right? They are basically the relationship between algae and fungi. So we have saw deep in this. So, fungi. So basically symbiotic relationship means something they give, in return for that they take something. So here algae and fungi are like friends, no? They live each other, they live together. So for that, fungi is going to provide shelter to algae, like not only shelter, like water and minerals to algae. In return, the algae will provide food to fungus. Right? How algae can provide food to fungus? Can anyone tell me? Anyone?
No idea.
Okay. Anyone else? Ashwant?
Ma'am, I'm just doing a guess.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, can you?
Yeah, Adrit, come
Ma'am,
on.
Ma'am, it gives nutrients to trees.
No, I am asking how here. See, here there is no like there is no picture of trees. Okay, here you have algae. Remember, this is an algae, and you have take it this as a fungi. Okay, you have a fungi. They both are in symbiotic relationship with each other. What is symbiotic relationship? Give and take policy, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Give and take policy. They give something, they take something. So here algae is giving food to fungi and fungi is giving shelter, water and minerals to algae. So my question here is how algae can able to give food to fungi?
Ma'am, does it consume mineral from water, food?
No. I'm asking is how algae can give food to fungi.
Mom, can I try?
Yeah,
Mom, photosynthesis.
exactly. Correct. So why I asked this question is you people would have forgot that algae is green in color, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Algae
mom.
has chlorophyll. They have chlorophyll. They are able to prepare their own food.
Autotrophs.
Yeah, they are autotrophs basically, so that they can prepare their own food and they are helping the fungi also. They are preparing the food and giving to fungi also.
Mama,
Right?
Mama, I don't think algae gives the food because fungi steals from the plants, right? So maybe fungi also does the same to algae.
No, no, no. Fungi in return provide shelter only. They don't prepare food. In this, see, we have seen many kind of, for example, you take mushrooms, Sridej. We have seen decomposition, agaricus biporous. We have seen symbiotic relationship of fungi with trees also, right? So basically, the mycelium. This actually happens. The mycelium that is here, they connect with the tree. See here, they connect with the tree and they get the nutrition from the tree, right? This is a kind of thing, but here this is different kind. So here I'm talking about entirely different, like lichens. So lichens means algae and fungi relationship. Before we saw algae relationship with dead and decomposing organic matters, that is basically they are like saprophytes. Like saprophytes, they depend on dead and decaying rotting wood, right? That is kind of fungi we saw. And one more kind of fungi we saw, like they are dependent on the trees, living trees. They develop beside the living trees. They get no, their mycelium will be attached to the roots of the trees. This basically, remember, their mycelium is actually attached to the roots of the trees, right? Sritej?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sritej? Yeah, correct. So we are now talking about entirely different kind of fungi that is gonna have symbiotic relationship with algae. This is another kind of fungi. They're called as lichens. They both together are called as lichens. So what they actually in this kind of fungi, only I'm talking about this kind of fungi, will provide shelter, water, and minerals to algae. But algae in return gonna provide food to fungi. Because algae are basically green in color, so they have the capability to produce their own food. So they are providing the food that is starch, especially basically starch. Food is nothing but like what we are eating, sambar, rasam, not that kind of food. Basically, they provide starch to fungi. Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, if you want to, images of lichens, you will understand better. So see here. Can you see the images of lichens? See?
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, I
I think
already
I
did
have
the
seen that
activity.
before. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What?
Yeah, Mom,
I
I
think I've
already
seen
did the
that before.
activity on this.
Already did the activity?
Yes, mom. My teachers gave it to me.
Okay, fine. So can you see the lichens over here? See the fungi and the algae.
Yes,
Mostly you cannot see the fungi part very clearly because they'll be white in color. But can you see the algae, green color algae?
yes, mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, visible, everyone.
Yes,
Mom,
ma'am.
it's in the middle of the picture.
Yeah, correct.
Mom, also it looks like Wimbar.
Correct. So basically these are lichens.
Ma'am,
Understood what is lichen? Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Do fish eat algae?
Yeah, they eat.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my friend Rishit, I found some algae in my apartment. And my friend Rishit is like, I'm going to collect it. Ma'am, somewhere I heard that some fish eat other fish.
Yeah. Yeah, some fish eat other fish. That is also there. There are carnivorous fishes are there. They eat other fishes. And some fishes eat algae. Yes, they eat algae because algae is a vegetative matter. Algae is basically vegetative. Okay, my screen share stopped. Algae is basically vegetative matter. Vegetative matter in the sense they come under plant category. So basically they are kind of plants. So yes, fishes eat in the oceans. Deep oceans, algae will be there. So in deep oceans, algae will be there. So that time when fish go, they eat algae. Yes. they eat.
Okay, ma'am.
So now, till now, we saw the fungi is that, fungi is this, they are having some advantages, they are having some disadvantages and everything. Now we are going to talk about a specific kind of fungi that is gonna help us in manufacturing of medicines, right? Are you aware about this? I have already told about glimpse of this.
Yes,
I have already asked this in a question paper
ma'am,
also.
you told that it's an antibiotic of this fungi.
Yeah, it's basically the antibiotic. So penicillin, the name of the fungi is penicillin. It is a classic example for a beneficial product derived from fungi. We already have seen about the beneficial product that is mushroom, right? Now we are talking about the beneficial product that is penicillin. So it is basically, antibiotics. And what is antibiotic? What do you mean by the word anti? And what do you mean by
Ma'am,
the word biotic?
Ma'am,
it's a
biotic means
medicine.
Yeah. Yes, Ashwant?
ma'am
Antibiotic
medicine.
means
Ma'am,
medicine.
It is a means medicine.
Okay.
ma'am, it's
So
a
the
medicine
word,
to cure a disease or any bacteria or anything.
okay. So anyone else having any idea what is antibiotic? Yes, Sritej, no idea. Sritej, Gelda.
Ma'am, is it
Ma'am,
the
there, ma'am,
medicine
like,
used
ma'am,
to recover?
ma'am, there are medicines
Ma'am,
that,
like the original, from the nature we get the medicine, that medicine is called antibiotic.
Oh, okay, fine. Yes,
ma'am,
we will come to that. Yes, Sritej.
ma'am, there are just some medicines that fight infections. Like that.
Correct, correct. It's basically the medicine. That's all everyone is knowing that it's a basically medicine. So biotic means bacteria, children. Okay. They are not just medicine, they are the medicine that is gonna cure bacterial infection. Okay. Bacteria. Okay.
So,
So
ma'am,
anti
they,
means
ma'am,
kill.
they actually stop them from multiplying, right?
Stop. Yes. Stop. Stop them, kill them, or fight against them. Fight against them, you can say fight against them. So biotic means especially bacteria, children, especially bacteria. Okay. So basically this fungi is going to fight against bacteria in our body, right? Correct. So it is an antibiotic that is produced by fungus penicillium. That fungus name is penicillium. Yes, the fungus name is penicillium. So from the fungus penicillium, we are deriving a beneficial product that is an antibiotic. Basically, an antibiotic helps us to kill the bacteria or fight against the bacteria or stop the multiplication of bacteria further in our body. So Alexander Fleming is the scientist discovered the penicillin very first 1928, marking a significant milestone in the medicine. Whatever disease you get, if you get a cold, if you get a cough, if you get a fever, they will give you antibiotic, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So antibiotic discovery of antibiotic is a revolution, you can say, because for whatever do you all know paracetamol? Paracetamol?
Yes,
Yes.
Ma'am, is
ma'am.
that a
Yes,
medicine?
ma'am. Yeah, paracetamol is a medicine. Basically, paracetamol is a medicine. So, like that, this antibiotic also create a lot of revolution after the discovery of antibiotic, because it is a major revolution, because most of the diseases that we are getting is because of bacterial infections. So, because of this penicillin, it is a great revolution that they can fight against the bacteria. The significant milestone. Penicillin and its derivatives have saved continuously lives. So it's a great milestone. They saved lot of lives from, they prevented the death of bacterial disease because of bacterial disease. Yes. So discovery of penicillin revolutionized medicine and paved the way for development of other antibiotics also. Okay. There is not only one antibiotic that is derived from penicillin. There are a lot other antibiotics also that is apart from penicillin also we are having. So, but this is the discovery of this paved the way. After the discovery of this only, like many antibiotics also came into the medical field. It's prime example how fungi can be harnessed for their beneficial products, right? Fungi is having lot of beneficial. First, we saw they cause disease. No, they cause skin disease. What is a skin disease? Can anyone tell me that I told in class? Fungi will cause one kind of skin disease.
Ma'am, yes, a ringworm.
Very good. Exactly. Clap your hands, everyone, for Gelda. I should hear the claps. Very good. The ringworm. So ringworm is the skin disease that is caused by fungi in human beings. So fungi can cause, how you all astound, right? Like how fungi is very divergent. They are helpful to us. They are creating disease to us. They are helpful in, we are eating them also, and we are using them as a medicine also, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am. There's so many kinds of food.
So many kinds of
Mom, I
things.
have
Still
doubt.
we have, yeah,
Mom, I have doubt.
yeah.
Actually, like fungi itself is a bacteria or a disease. I mean, not a disease. It's a bacteria. Then, like
No,
how penicillin? Like penicillin is a fungi, right? So how
no,
can
no,
it
no,
be,
no, no.
this antibiotic?
Fungi is not bacteria. Fungi is not bacteria. 1 second, you wait. I'll share you the animal kingdom, plant kingdom picture. Kingdom of algae, fungi, and plants. I'll share you. Wait. Thought of sharing you in the first only because you won't get, uh, you know. Hmm.
So you're saying fungi is not bacteria?
No, no.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom,
Yes.
mom,
We'll
then
share
because
the
of
link.
fungi, why do we cause a disease? This ringworm.
Yeah, because all fungi are not same. In human beings, all are not same, right? Some are
Yeah.
very funny, some are very, some are very, very, very strict, some are very scary, some are like they will be very silent, some are very talkative, like that. In fungi also we have lot of varieties. Yes. So see, this is the, can you all see? Five kingdom classification. Actually, this one you will be learning in the 8th standard. Actually, it's a major topic in 8th standard: kingdom classification, animal kingdom and plant kingdom classification. But for your clearance in your mind, I'm giving it monera, something called as monera is there. So here in monera, you will get bacteria. What is monera? Single celled. Not, you cannot say like they're only single celled like that, but in moneras we have bacteria and other things. Then we have protists, and then we have fungi, then we have plant kingdom, then we have animal kingdom. Yes, now understood. These are the 5 kingdom classification. The basic one is monera. This is the, you can draw a pyramid like this. You can draw a pyramid like this. In the basic we have monera, and then we have protist, and then we have fungi, and then we have plants, and in the top we have animals, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Monera,
Okay.
protist, fungi, plants, animals. So animals are more advanced than plants, plants are more advanced than fungi, fungi is more advanced than protists are more advanced than monera. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any doubts till now?
Mom, I have doubt.
Yeah,
Mom, like humans are also counted as animals only, right? In this
yeah,
five kingdom.
correct.
Yeah. Can.
1 second. Okay, shall we go to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this whole paragraph? Everyone understood? Can anyone summarize me what is penicillin, who found it, what is the useful? Okay, I'll pick. Wait,
No
I'll
problem.
pick. Gelda will say yes.
Um,
Ma'am, the last slide you talk about penicillium, where it's an antibiotic invented by I don't remember, but it saved plenty of lives. I was also classified as a revolutionary discovery.
Very good, very good. Exactly. So then we spoke about 5 kingdom classification, that is monera, protists, fungi, plants, and animals. You don't want to learn what is monera, protist, and all. This is not your level. Okay, we'll learn in 8th standard very deep, divergely. We will learn about all the 5 kingdom of classification. Okay, it's a vast topic you have there. So now This is a question. I don't know when I formed this question. Let's see. If plants keep on absorb the nutrients from the soil, how the soil can retain the nutrients back? Yes. Anyone can answer?
Ma'am, like there are many rocks in the soil.
Ma'am,
they
how-
contain minerals.
Ma'am, because when a person dies, then the soil decomposes the person.
Okay, that's a good point, Hamza. Anyone else?
When the plants die, the nutrients which the plant has, it will like go to the soil, and the soil will become fertile.
Very good. That's also a nice
Ma'am,
point. Anyone else?
manure. Manure.
Manure. Yes, we use external manures. That is another right point. Anyone else? Who are all there in the meeting? Everyone should answer. Yes, Gelda.
Plants can regain their and not plants, soil can regain their nutrients when plants absorb them by not only decomposing dead animals and stuff like that, but soil can also gain nutrients by by uh, by some particular some plants which also benefit soil. I don't really know any examples, so yeah.
Okay, no problem. That's also a nice point. Adrit Rao. Yes.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, when manure is used, then they get like minerals.
Very good. Any Amza, I think everyone answered, right? Okay. So we'll see the answer, what actually is doing. Okay. So farmers spread so whatever you all said is the right answer actually. So we'll have a detailed view of this. Okay. Farmers spread manure or fertilizers in the field. Can anyone read this?
Ma'am,
Yes,
there's
can
something that
anyone?
is covering the first line.
Is it now okay?
Ma'am, there's some black box.
Now is it okay?
Ma'am, now it's not.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can anyone read it for me?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah.
Farmers spread manure or fertilizers in fields, and gardeners use them in lawns or pots to replenish nutrients in the soil. Plants absorb nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus from the soil, which depletes its nutrient levels over time. Nitrogen is crucial for plant growth, but it often becomes deficient in the soil. Although nitrogen gas is abundant in the air, plants can't use it directly. However, a bacterium called rhizobium can convert atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form. But rhizobium cannot make its own food. Rhizobium lives in the roots of leguminous plants like peas and beans, providing them with nitrogen. In return, the plants provide food and shelter to the bacteria. This symbiotic relationship reduces the need for nitrogenous fertilizers, benefiting farmers. So, leguminous plants are beneficial to farmers. Note: leguminous plants are plants that belong to the family Faba,
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae, leguminosa, which are
Leguminaceae? Yes.
known as the pea, bean, or legume family.
Very
These,
good.
these plants have a symbiotic relationship with nitrogen-fixing bacteria called rhizobium, which lives in the nodules on their roots and convert nitrogen or atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form for the plants. Examples of leguminous plants include peas, beans, lentils, and peanuts.
Understood? Everyone?
Ma'am.
Yes? Everyone understood?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
didn't understand what is leguminous.
Leguminous plants are the plant that belongs to the family called Leguminaceae, or you can say Fabaceae. Okay, so basically pea plant, beans plant, or some other leguminous plants come under this family. You know what they're actually saying in this whole paragraph? So yes, that is true. When you have, when you use the soil for over long period of time, the soil plants will absorb the nutrients from the soil, and they will obviously the nutrients will be lost. So retain the nutrients, there are many ways. You can, like Ashwan said, you can put manures from outside, like artificial manures can be used. Farmers usually use earthworms. Earthworms are used in soil, they will make the soil transportation from down to up, from up to down. You know what earthworms do? Do you all know
Can you repeat?
what earthworms do?
Ma'am, they decompose.
Yeah. So usually earthworms decompose. That is also there. Usually, what happened? This is a soil. So earthworms will be here. You know what is the main process earthworms do?
Ma'am,
Here,
they
soil
actually
will be down.
decompose biodegradable stuff.
Yeah. They decompose also. They decompose. That is also their work. That is not a doubt. So apart from that, what they will do, this earthworms have a tendency for, they are
Get the
usually
fontaine out.
soil rotation. Do you know what do you mean by soil rotation?
I'm like making the bad fertile going down into the soil, and it
Correct.
will become new fertile. It will
Yeah.
become good fertile, and good fertile will come up, and it will turn up to this bad fertile.
Yes. Exactly. Everyone understood the
Like
process
a
Chavik
cycle.
told?
Yes. Ma'am, I understand.
Actually, the earthworm will rotate the soil from up to down, down to up. That's it. That is
Ma'am,
their,
there's
they,
so many of them in my cycle.
yeah. So it's very good for the soils. The earthworms are friends of farmers. They're actually called as friends of farmers. So this is all about the rhizobium bacteria that we have already seen. No, they are simply telling you if you have the leguminous plants like peas and beans, you can have the rhizobium in their root so that the rhizobium will help in giving them the nutrients, right? So basically they are telling that only fully. Now, did you understand, everyone?
Ma'am, can you repeat
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
this again?
basically, okay, I'll repeat, no problem. Basically, what's happening is farmers they spread manures or fertilizers in the field. Okay, the gardens use them in lawns, pots, replenish the, actually basically the first line tell that they are using the special manures from outside, like no, they are getting artificial manures. So when the time goes on, the manures, the artificial manures, you can say, or like the natural
And how
manures
much
will
more time will
also,
the class be?
it will go on. I thought of completing this, and I have thought of taking stem cells. Yes, stem cell, only one topic is there. Maybe some 10 minutes
And that
more.
is my brother, not me.
Oh, okay, fine. Anyway, what I was telling. So plants absorb nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus from the soil, which depletes its nutrition level. Ashwin, listen carefully. So nitrogen is very important for the plant growth, and it often becomes deficient in soil because, as I already told you, nitrogen cannot be taken directly from the plant. Sorry, from the atmosphere, right? The plants need some special, backup, special kind of bacteria called rhizobium, so that the rhizobium can convert the atmospheric nitrogen into usable forms, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
but rhizobium cannot, rhizobium is also a bacteria. They also need a food, right, to survive. So rhizobium cannot make its own food. Rhizobium lives in the roots of leguminous plants like peas and beans. They are living in the plants.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, understood now? So, but rhizobium cannot make its own food. Rhizobium lives in the roots of leguminous plants like peas and beans. They provide them nitrogen. Okay. So, in return, the plants provide food and shelter to the bacteria. So, plant is gonna provide shelter, food. So, this is a symbiotic relationship. Basically, we spoke before itself, right? This is symbiotic relationship reduces the need of natural fertilizers, right? Rhizobium is giving them nitrogen. So whatever the nutrients they require, rhizobium is giving the nitrogen basically. But in return, the plants is giving them place to live. So basically, you don't want to give some extra manures to them. You don't want to worry if the soil nutrients is getting low because rhizobium is there, right?
Ma'am, why can't rhizobium live in other plants?
It's like you cannot question the nature. No, why can't I have three eyes? Why I'm having only two eyes? Yes, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is a nature. Rhizobium cannot live in other plants other than leguminous plants because some certain things are there. Rhizobium having only in the leguminous plants, not in other plants. That's why by nature, no rhizobium is living in them. We can also ask, ma'am, why Venus flytrap is living only those areas? Because it's nature. Venus flytrap will live in that area because it is nature, right? You cannot change the nature. You cannot question the nature. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, so we have one more topic called stem cells. So stem cells are, I have taken it extra, it's an extra topic that we will see in the next class. Okay. And one more important announcement. Okay, one more important announcement is we will be having a motivational talk by Dr. Vani Sood. Okay, she'll be giving you the motivation talk day after tomorrow. I will talk with Manisha ma'am and sir, and I'll tell you the timings and everything. Okay. So I basically invited her because she's a doctor as well as she'll give you a motivation talk. So every day I'm only talking, so you'll all be bored to see my face.
Ma'am, talk on what? Like
Normal talks, normal basic motivation talk. You can ask her doubts about your subjects also, no problem. Any questions you can ask, right?
okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. And one more thing about homework. Homework you learn about. Okay. I'll post the homework, no problem. Okay. Bye. Bye for now.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you.